Alliance detectives just busted a major meth dealer, but they didn't expect after the arrest to keep getting calls and texts requesting drugs from his clients. Phone calls, police say, many are going to wish they never made. Texts, they're going to wish they never sent. Detective Reichen told me the phone didn't stop going off.
Probably about 40 times while I was going through it.
When police arrested Steve Notman for drug trafficking and he willingly gave up his phone, they didn't expect the non-stop calls and messages, like this one. I need that same thing again. I got 15 of it now, then I'll just owe you 5. Eventually, detectives posted a warning on their Facebook page. Please stop calling Steve Notman's phone. We have his phone and are trying to go through all of his texts requesting drugs. But you keep calling and texting, and it's really annoying. He's all out of drugs. We will come to you soon enough.
It wasn't for embarrassment of Steve, it was more to get the people to stop so we could finish our investigations.
We checked out Notman's neighborhood. People told me this bust didn't shock them. He was running a pretty big meth operation out of his house.
It wouldn't surprise me.
But not all of them would share their true feelings on camera. His next door neighbor told me that if he knew he'd been selling meth, he would have bought some.
I wonder which neighbor that was. We need to get them out of here, don't we? Yeah, anyway, you know, I said it's a small town.
A small town that's a little quieter today. All of the evidence found in Steve Notman's phone, all those calls and text messages, detectives tell me those will be used in follow-up investigations. So, like that Facebook warning said, they really will be in touch. In Alliance, Tara Molina, News Channel 5.